Hi everyone, welcome to the Dawn Kitchen. Today guys, I will be doing a quick and simple recipe. It will be lentil beef neck soup or beef neck lentil soup. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, welcome. It's great to have you with us on our journey. If you are returning, welcome back. Please become a channel member, like, subscribe, share, comment, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a video when we upload. We are happy when you join the Dawn Kitchen family. Let's get started. Three cloves of garlic, 2 stalks of scallion or green onion, some thyme, chives, about 6 pieces. I'm gonna use some soup flavor just to flavor the soup. 1 tablespoon. This is a beef neck. I have it in some water soaking because I really need to get out some of those mucky rind from the water, from the beef. There you see how mucky the water is looking. So this is like 2 pounds of beef neck, and the beef neck is a part that is bony. It's good to boil soup. You see a lot of bones. And the star of the show is the lentil. If you don't know the lentil, the pack, it looks like this in the pack. And this is a 1 pound pack. But here I have half teaspoon black pepper and 1 teaspoon salt. Normally I don't like to use black pepper in my soup. I like to use a Scotch bonnet pepper, a green one, but I don't have the green pepper today, so that's the reason why I'm using the black pepper. And this is 1 cup of lentil. So we're gonna prepare the meat. This is 2 pounds, but why I have 2 pounds of meat here, because I will be cooking some pumpkin beef neck soup separately. So I will be dividing the meat, some for the lentil and some for my pumpkin beef neck soup. So with the lentil, I'll be using about half a pound or 1 pound. So let's get started, guys. The first thing you have to do, we want to trim up some of the fat from the meat. You see, it have a lot of fat on it, so we're gonna trim the fat out. You don't want all of this fat in whatever we're doing. So I'm gonna do this until I take off whatever I wanna trim. Not all, but whatever I come across. So I finished trim. We're gonna show this water off, and I'm catching some fresh water on it. I'm gonna pour some vinegar, like 1 tablespoon on it. I'm gonna pour some boiling water on so it can scald. Let it sit there just for 1 minute, and then we're going to pour this water off and catch fresh water. After 1 minute, remove it from the water. But it's still hot, so don't use your hand inside there. So here I rinse the pot out, and this is a pot I will be cooking the beef neck in. So just enter back in the pot. Here is some bay leaf. You're just gonna rinse the bay leaf, and I'm gonna put it on the beef. And follow me over to the stove. So this is a pot of water boiling that I will be using on the beef neck. So in the meantime you're preparing all of that, you just want to have the water on the fire boiling. And I'm going to pour this away from you on the beef neck. I'm going to place the lid on, and we're going to let this boil for 2 hours. In the meantime, it's boiling, let us go over and work on the garlic. Here we're just gonna tap on the garlic. I will just remove the trash from it. So easy. You don't have to be standing there peeling and all of that. Just tap and remove the trash. If you don't do that and you come like this, cut like this, then you're just gonna be peeling the whole time. You see how hard this is? Doing all of this is so much time. You don't want this to take up so much time. So just put it on top and just strip it off. Before you tap, ensure you rinse the garlic, and I'm gonna add it to the pot on the fire. The beef need time to cook. So put the garlic in. Guys, you're watching the video and you like what you see and you haven't yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe. Like and share the video, hit the notification bell so you will be the first one to know when Dedan upload a video. We're just gonna cover, if in case within the 2 hours, I know the water will be going down, so you're just gonna add more water. Just keep it to this level. You don't want to put more water than. So the moment it passes that level and you see it go down a little, just add some more water to it. So I see you back in 2 hours time. So you're gonna pour the lentil from the measuring cup in a large container, and we will be rinsing this lentil under cold water. You don't want to add too much lentil because the lentil is gonna be swelling. It will be swelling up, and you're gonna get like this 1 cup. It's gonna increase to like 3 cups when it cooks. So wash thoroughly. Before you even wash, you have to go through it and look for any stone or any particles that need to pick out from it. So you're gonna pour this water off and put more water to rinse again. In the meantime, we have the beef neck cooking. We're just gonna turn the fire on under the lentil. Gonna add more water to it. And I'm just gonna let the lentil cook. As I said, guys, I'm doing my beef neck pumpkin soup, and I'm doing lentil beef neck soup. So I will be dividing the meat now. I'm taking out some of this meat for the lentil beef neck soup, and I'm gonna let some stay for the pumpkin beef neck soup. And of course, I'm taking out I don't want to take out too much of the meat. I think I'm good with that. And also, I'm going to take out some of the juice from it. I'm good with that. So if you want to see what I'm adding to my pumpkin beef neck soup, no problem. I'm going to add pumpkin, some flour, piece of yam, and a carrot. Of course, I'm just going to sieve this flour very fast. This is not a video I'm doing for you guys. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. Making my beef neck pumpkin soup. Because I already have a video out there with pumpkin beef soup. So you make dumpling. This is for my pumpkin beef neck soup. The split peas, I'm going to add the chive in and some thyme. So add the thyme in and the meat that is waiting, just add it in it. You add the chive, crush the scallion, just rub out the scallion, rub it up and add it in. Your salt and pepper. Wanna stir our pot. Remember the noodle, our soup mix, add it in. And we're just gonna let this boil until the green peas, until the split peas. I keep saying split peas, I'm sorry, until the lentil become tender. I'm gonna put a piece of ginger in it. Just crush the ginger and add it in. And you're just gonna turn the fire down and let it simmer. Right now, the stove is on 7. So just turn it to a low heat and let this thing simmer down. You can taste to see whatever you need to add in your lentil. I'm gonna put some cloves in, just a few. Just add some cloves, and I'm gonna cover this pot and let it simmer. So I'll be back with you guys shortly. Let us checking in on the lentil beef neck soup. Wow, look at this. Let the steam run back in it. And let me show you. Oh, you know, when the meat is cooked, is when you get a fork and you put that fork in, and the fork go from one end to the other end, like that. You see, you know that your beef is cooked. And the lentil, all this time you can get rid of them. They already done the job that they're supposed to do. So the lentil, or you know, when it cook, you just come, that's one, and you crush, you see crush out, you know your lentil is cooked. And look at the color, look at the flavor it having. So don't go away yet, guys. So this is it, beautiful spicy family. Our lentil beef neck soup is now ready for drinking. Don't it look nice? Tell the truth, it look delicious. So why not give it a thumbs up, like and share the video. Don't keep it to yourself. And tell me where you're watching the video from. Please don't forget to watch the ads, become a member to the channel, subscribe. I love you all, beautiful people. I'm gonna dive in this now. Remember the pumpkin soup. I'm gonna show you the pumpkin soup. So this is lentil. Who wanna come have some with me? Hungry. This is my pumpkin beef neck soup. I'm gonna dish out some. So this is it, guys. The pumpkin soup, beef neck, and the lentil beef neck soup is ready. Which one of them you want? Don't them look delicious? So go ahead and give it a try. And remember, thumbs up the video, like and share. I love you all, guys. Remember to please take care of each other. And if we don't have good to say about each other, zip. I love you all. Please be free to become a member of the channel. Did and say I love you, and I see you again on the next one. Give it a try, guys. Lentil soup, lentil beef soup, and pumpkin beef neck soup. Which one of them you rather? Come and pick your order. Which one of them you rather? Come and pick your order. Thank you all. I see you again. Bye for now. Peace and love.